York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up this morning with our temperatures in the teens to the 20s, but we are going to warm up to the upper 30s for the high today. Let's take a look at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We're seeing a few light snow showers on our radar right now, and we are seeing mostly cloudy skies. So let's take a look at that Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing a few light lake effect snow showers. Only a trace of accumulation is expected for the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys, and 1 to 2 inches is expected up north today. But as our temperature rises above freezing later on, we might be seeing a few cold rain showers instead of snow. So here is the radar and satellite. There is a low pressure system just kind of passing above us. This is what is going to allow the temperature to rise because there is going to be a warm front coming through, and that is what is going to be changing that snow over to possibly some rain showers later on. But it does look to remain dry for the rest of the week, the weekend, and the beginning of next week. So our temperatures this morning are ranging in the teens to the lower 20s. We have just 5 degrees in Inlet, 11 degrees in Big Moose, 18 degrees in Rome, and 15 degrees in Whitesboro. If we do go down south a little bit, ranging in the 20s, 22 in Skanevis, and 20 in Sherburne. So it is still a pretty cold start to the morning, and it is still a little breezy outside. It will remain breezy today and tomorrow, so it is going to feel just a little bit colder than the actual temperature outside. The wind does start to die down for Friday, Saturday, and for the rest of the weekend, along with drier weather coming in ahead. So let's take a look at that on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing some lake effect snow showers, especially up north for the day today. Little accumulation is expected. As our temperature rises to the upper 30s for the high this afternoon and this evening, it is possible to see a few rain showers moving through. Now, as we get into the overnight hours into Thursday, we are still going to be mostly cloudy with a few snow showers possible, but we are looking to dry out and remain mostly cloudy tomorrow. Our highs are only going to be in the teens. Now for today, we have a high in the upper 30s. We are going to be seeing a few snow showers, possibly rain showers, otherwise mostly cloudy skies and breezy conditions. Overnight tonight, it will remain pretty breezy. A few snow showers are possible, but it is going to be mostly cloudy with lows in the teens. So today looks to be the warmest day of the next couple of days, and we are going to see snow today, the only day on the forecast. We see Thursday, Friday, we are dry with our highs in the teens. Saturday, Sunday remaining dry with a high on Sunday in the upper 20s. So it is going to be pretty warm on Sunday compared to the other days, and remaining dry and cold for the start of the week. Back to you, Gary.
Wow, last day above freezing for a week.
I know, but at least it's dry, you know.
Yeah. Good outlook.
Yes.
Hannah, thanks. Wrapping up.
We're saying good morning to Deerfield and all of the greater Utica region. We are going to rise pretty quickly in temperatures today. We are seeing temperatures right now in the teens, but we will rise to the 20s by the time the sun rises, and to the upper 30s for the high temperature today. It looks like the warmest day on our forecast. So if you did want to go sledding today, there is going to be some melting snow as our temperature rises to the upper 30s, but tomorrow and Friday, all our high temperatures are only in the teens, so it is going to be a good day for that. The hills are probably going to be a little bit icy. If you are grabbing your coffee this morning, I would be opting for the large. We are seeing temperatures in the teens to low 20s, and a few snow showers are happening right now. I'll have a look at your commute forecast for today coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Utica
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up this morning with our temperatures in the teens to the 20s, but we are going to rise to the upper 30s for today. Let's take a look at the CAV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We're seeing mostly cloudy skies right now, and a few scattered snow showers are in the area. So let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are just seeing a few lake effect snow showers here this morning. Little accumulation is expected from this. If you do live up north, probably about 1 to 2 inches. And if you do live in the Mohawk Valley and down south, a trace to 1 inch is expected from this. This is just due to a low pressure system passing just above us, kind of creating lake effect snow showers in the area. But we are going to get pretty warm today, so as our temperature rises to the upper 30s above freezing, there is a possibility for seeing some rain showers later on this afternoon and evening. Now, our temperatures right now still ranging in the teens to the low 20s. We have just 17 degrees in Lowville, 18 degrees in Rome, and 20 degrees in Westmoreland. If we do go down to the south, we are in the 20s, 23 degrees in Schenevus, 25 degrees in Norwich, but we are going to rise pretty quickly today, once again to the upper 30s for the high. It is going to be a bit breezy though, so it may feel a little bit colder than the actual temperature outside. The breeze is going to remain in the overnight hours and into tomorrow, so tomorrow it is going to be pretty cold. Our highs just in the teens, and it is going to be a little breezy, so wind chill values are going to be pretty low for tomorrow. But as we get into Friday and Saturday, although it is going to still be cold with the highs still in the teens, that wind will have calmed down. Let's look at everything on our Skycast. We are going to be seeing a few lake effect snow showers today, especially up north, but as our temperature rises to the upper 30s for the high this afternoon and into the evening hours, it is possible to see a few rain showers moving through the area. This is going to be kind of like a cold rain because our temperatures are still in the 30s. Now, overnight tonight, the precipitation will clear out. We will see lows in the single digits, so it is going to be a cold night again. And for tomorrow, highs are only going to be in the teens, but it will be dry. Now, for today, we have temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for the high, so it is going to feel quite warm outside today in comparison to what we are used to. A few rain and snow showers are possible later on this afternoon and this evening. As our temperature is still in the 30s, we are going to drop pretty quickly overnight into the teens and the single digits for some of our areas. Now, for tomorrow, we are only rising to the upper teens for the high, and our low temperatures are going to be below zero for the next couple of days. We do remain dry, though. As you can see, we are dry for the rest of the week, the weekend, and the beginning of next week. Once again, our highs are just in the teens, with the exception of Sunday in the upper 20s. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Some people living in the area of Almond Street in Oneida.
Welcome back. I know we have been getting snow for the past couple of days, so here is just an updated ski report, snowboard report as of today. So a lot of the areas did get a lot of snow. Greek Peak got 14 inches, Woods Valley 10, Gore 12, Whiteface got 15 inches, and a lot of the conditions were ranging from machine groomed to packed powder, so it is pretty good conditions outside if you do want to get in a ski or a snowboard. Now, for today, our high temperatures are going to rise to the upper 30s, so the snow is kind of going to start melting once it reaches this temperature, so there may be some slush on the roadways, so just be careful when driving. Our wind chill temperatures are going to stay around 5 to 6 degrees below the actual temperature, because we are going to be seeing a breeze today. So as the kids are heading off to school, I would maybe grab the umbrella. We are seeing some snow showers now. We are possibly going to be seeing some rain showers later on. Temperatures are in the teens to low 20s right now, but we will rise to the mid to upper 30s today. I'll have another look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. New York's
most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up this morning with temperatures in the teens to the low 20s, but we are going to rise pretty quickly today to the upper 30s for the high. Let's take a look at the CAVV tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies right now and a few scattered snow showers in the area. Now, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we can see some snow showers kind of moving through our area this morning. This is all due to a low pressure system that is passing just north of us. It is producing some lake effect snow showers in the area, and it is going to have a warm front attached to it, so that is why our temperature is rising pretty quickly today. Once again, we are in the upper 30s for the high. It is looking to be the warmest day over the next couple of days. Now, here are our temperatures this morning. We are ranging in the teens to the 20s. Once again, we have just 17 degrees in Inlet and in Glenmore, 20 degrees in Yorkville and in Westdale, 26 in New Hartford. Going down south just a little bit, we have 21 in Evanston, 22 in Milford, and 25 in West Lawrence. So we are looking at the teens to the 20s right now, but we are going to rise to the mid to upper 30s for the high. It is going to feel just a little bit colder today than the actual temperature because it is going to be a bit breezy. The breeze does remain overnight tonight and for tomorrow, making it feel very cold tomorrow since our highs are only going to be in the teens. The wind does calm down for Friday and Saturday, but it still looks to remain cold on Friday and Saturday with our highs in the teens. So like I said, today is going to be the warmest day for at least the next couple of days and at least for the weekend. Let's look at everything on our Skycast right now. We are going to be seeing a few lake effect snow showers here this morning. As our temperature rises to the upper 30s, it is possible that the snow could turn into a few rain showers because our temperature is going to be above freezing. All that precipitation does clear out overnight, and we will see a mostly cloudy day tomorrow, but it is going to be pretty cold with our highs just in the teens. Now for today, we have a high in the mid to upper 30s. We are seeing a wind breeze at around 10 miles per hour, so it's going to feel a little bit cooler than that. Overnight tonight, a few rain and snow showers are possible with lows in the teens. Now, tomorrow is going to be pretty cold. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies with highs just in the teens. Same thing goes for Friday. We are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies, though, with highs in the teens. But the next 2 nights, our temperatures drop way below 0. For the weekend, it is looking dry on Saturday and Sunday. Sunday being a little warmer than Saturday, but our overnight lows are still in the single digits, and we look to remain cold for the start of next week. Back to you, Gary.
Bitter cold.
Yes, I don't like it.
Hannah, thanks. Wrapping up his first.
We're saying good morning to Deerfield and all of the greater Utica region. Although we are starting out pretty chilly this morning, our temperatures are in the teens to low 20s. We are going to rise quite quickly today. We will reach a high in the mid to upper 30s for most of our areas. So today, if you did want to go sledding, there is going to be melting snow, so there is going to be some slush on the roadways, so just be careful of that. But as we get into tomorrow and Friday, it is going to get quite icy. We are going to be seeing temperatures just in the teens for the high, so it would be, the hills are going to be very fast for sledding. Grabbing your coffee this morning, I would be opting for the large. Our temperatures now are kind of in the upper teens to low 20s. We are seeing a few snow showers this morning, probably going to be seeing a rain shower or two later on this afternoon into the evening. I'll have a look at the commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Utica
Most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are waking up this morning with our temperatures in the upper teens to low 20s, but we are going to rise to the upper 30s for the high today. Let's take a look at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Still seeing mostly cloudy skies outside. We are also seeing a few snow showers passing through this morning. Now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again seeing a few snow showers passing through this morning. Not much accumulation is expected. If you do live up north, I would say 1 to 2 inches, and in the Mohawk Valley and down south, a trace to 1 inch can be expected of snow for today. This is all because a low pressure system is kind of passing through our area, driving some snow, some lake effect snow to move into the area. But there's also a warm front connected to this system, so that is why we are going to rise so much today. Our high is going to be in the upper 30s, and it looks to be the warmest day out of the week upcoming. Now here are some of our Skywatcher temperatures this morning. We are looking at temperatures in the teens to the 20s, just 10 degrees up in Old Forge, 20 degrees in Yorkville, 26 in New Hartford, and 23 in Clinton. And if we do go down to the south, we have 26 in Cooperstown, 21 in Evanston, and 22 in Milford. Once again, we are going to rise quite quickly today to our high temperature in the mid to upper 30s. It is going to remain a little breezy today, so that temperature is going to feel a little bit cooler than the actual temperature outside. The breeze remains overnight and into tomorrow, so for tomorrow it actually is going to feel quite cold. Our high is only in the teens, and we will see very low wind chill values if it remains pretty breezy. Now that wind is going to die down for Friday and for Saturday, but still remaining cold on these days with our highs just in the teens once again. So today does look to be the warmest day for at least the next couple of days and into the beginning of next week. So we are seeing some scattered snow showers moving through the area this morning, but as as our temperature reaches the mid to upper 30s, we could be seeing some rain showers later on this afternoon into the evening. That snow and that rain does clear out overnight tonight, and we will be dry but mostly cloudy tomorrow. Once again, it is going to be pretty cold and breezy. Our highs are just going to be in the teens. Now for today, we have our high in the mid to upper 30s. We're going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies, a few snow showers, and possibly rain showers later on. Overnight tonight, we will drop into the teens for the low, possibly a few rain and snow showers just passing through before drying out for tomorrow. So for the rest of the week, it is going to be dry but pretty cold. We're looking at our temperatures in the teens and our overnight lows below zero. We have 10 below zero there for the next 2 nights. Now on Saturday and Sunday, we are going to be dry, a little bit warmer on Sunday with our highs in the upper 20s. We're getting cold once again for Monday and Tuesday. Looking to remain dry for all of these days thus far. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. Some people living in the area of
Welcome back. We've been getting some snow in the area these past couple of days, so I did want to point out the ski reports as of today. A lot of areas did get new snow. We have Greek Peak at 14 inches, Woods Valley at 10, Gore at 12 inches, and even Whiteface got 15 inches of snow. And all of the conditions looking at these locations are either packed powder or machine groomed. So they are pretty good conditions out there since we finally got some snow and our temperatures have been pretty cold. Now today our temperatures are going to be a bit warmer. We are going to rise to the upper 30s for the high. We are looking at a breeze outside, so it is going to feel just a little bit colder. I would say 5 to 7 degrees colder than the actual temperature outside. So as the kids are heading off to school this morning, our temperatures are going to be in the low 20s. Some snow showers are outside right now, so I would probably grab the umbrella. When they're heading home, temperatures will be in the mid to upper 30s, possibly seeing a few rain showers mixed in with that snow shower. I'll have a look at the day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. It appears new.
Welcome back. We are going to be pretty mild today with our highs rising to the upper 30s, and we are going to be seeing a few snow showers this morning, possibly even just some rain showers later on this afternoon and evening as our temperature rises. We are going to be seeing colder weather ahead, though, for the end of the week, the weekend, and at least the beginning of next week. Our highs only look to be in the teens, but it is looking dry for all of these days ahead. So for today, we are in the 20s right now. We will rise to the upper 30s for the high. Our wind chill temperatures are around 5 to 7 degrees below the actual temperature outside, so feeling a little bit colder. For today, a high in the upper 30s. Snow and rain showers are possible. Overnight tonight, we will see mostly cloudy skies, a passing shower here and there with the low in the teens. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The snow continues to in South Utica. That's according to Utica's 3rd Ward Councilwoman, Celeste Friend. She says the city's codes department is sending 6 of its codes officers to South Utica today, where they will be giving warnings to every property in South Utica that does not have a clear sidewalk. Friend says she's received several complaints from residents over the last couple of days about what she refers to as the terrible state of the sidewalks throughout that part of the city. She says property owners are required to keep their sidewalks clear of snow, ice, and other debris. Friend took to Facebook last night saying that no one should have to resort to walking in the roadways, and no one should worry that they might slip and fall as they walk around sidewalks in the city. So, if you have not done so already, Friend is asking those of you living in South Utica to go out this morning and clear your sidewalk, or codes officers may be knocking at your door. The Utica Comets are set to...
We are seeing a few snow showers right now in the area, but our temperature is going to rise to the upper 30s for the high today. Let's take a look at that Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Seeing a few snow showers passing through, especially up north. Little accumulation is expected from this for today. Now, our temperatures are rising pretty quickly. We are in the teens up in the north, and we are in the 20s in the Mohawk Valley and the southern valleys. Once again, reaching a high in the upper 30s today, so it is going to feel a lot warmer to us because we have been used to the lower temperatures. Now for today, if you want to go sledding or anything, it is going to be melting snow as the day progresses today and as our temperature rises. But tomorrow and Friday, it is going to be pretty chilly outside, so the hills are going to be icy, so it is going to be fast if you are going sledding. So it is going to be very mild today with a few rain showers even possible this afternoon into the evening. Colder weather ahead. Looking ahead, temperatures in the teens for the high, but it is looking dry ahead. Now for today, a high in the mid to upper 30s, a slight breeze outside, and we are seeing a few snow showers this morning. And I will be tracking the colder weather and the drier weather coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The Oneida County Sheriff's Office.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are waking up this morning, just a few snow showers lingering in the area and mostly cloudy skies and temperatures in the 20s. Let's take a look at the CAV tower camera. We can see mostly cloudy skies overlooking the city of Utica, and we are going to warm up quite a bit today temperature-wise. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Just a few lake effect snow showers still moving through the area here this morning. We are going to be seeing lake effect snow showers for today, so if you do live up north, I would expect 1 to 2 inches of accumulation. The Mohawk Valley and the Southern Valleys, only a trace to 1 inch of accumulation is expected for today. This is because there is a low pressure system moving through our area, and there is a warm front attached to it, so that warm front is going to allow our temperatures to get quite warm today. We are going to be seeing highs in the mid to upper 30s before the colder weather does return. This looks to be the warmest day of the week. Now, our sky watchers this morning are reporting temperatures in the teens to 20s. We have 20 degrees in Yorkville, 26 in New Hartford, 23 in Clinton. And if we do go down to the Southern Valleys, we have 26 in Cooperstown, 22 in Milford, and 25 in West Lawrence. So we are going to warm up today quite quickly, but we are going to be breezy, so temperatures are going to feel a little bit colder outside than the actual temperature. So it is going to be breezy today, feeling a lot colder tomorrow because our temperatures are only going to be in the teens and that breeze will remain, so it is going to feel very cold tomorrow. The wind drops down to calm for Friday and Saturday, but still cold with our highs just in the teens. So we are seeing lake effect snow showers, especially up north today. We will see a rise in temperature to the mid to upper 30s. So as this temperature rises, we could be seeing a few rain showers later on this afternoon into the evening hours. The precipitation does look to dry out overnight tonight. We will be mostly cloudy tomorrow, but colder and dry with our highs just in the teens. Now for today, we are going to be seeing highs in the mid to upper 30s. A few snow showers this morning, a few rain showers are possible later on with a breeze outside, so feeling a little bit colder than the actual temperature. Overnight tonight, a passing shower is possible, and our lows are going to get down into the teens. So for tomorrow, it is going to get pretty cold with our high just in the upper teens and our low below 0. Same thing for Friday and Saturday. Sunday gets a little bit warmer with highs in the upper 20s, but at the start of the week still remaining cold with highs just in the teens and lows below 0.
Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are still tracking a few snow showers, especially up north here this afternoon, but it is pretty warm in our area. We are looking at temperatures ranging in the 30s. Let's take a look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A few flurries down in the Mohawk Valley, but we are seeing a few light lake effect snow showers up north. Now our temperature right now at the Groves Park Airport in Rome is 38 degrees, so it is very warm today, but we are seeing a slight breeze outside, making it feel just a little bit colder than the actual temperature. So it is going to be mild today with a few showers here and there. We are going to be seeing colder weather ahead starting tomorrow, looking like our temperatures are going to be in the teens rather than the 30s like today, but it is looking dry if we are looking ahead. Now for the rest of the day, we are going to be seeing mostly cloudy skies. A passing snow shower is possible later on this afternoon into the evening, and I will be tracking that drier weather coming up. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. Overnight, the
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing mostly cloudy skies right now, but it is pretty warm with our temperatures in the 30s. On our CAV tower camera here this afternoon, we are seeing just a few peaks of sunshine trying to peek out, but otherwise mostly cloudy and overcast skies. Now on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we did see a few lake effect snow showers here this morning. They are looking to clear out of the Mohawk Valley, just leaving over a few flurries in the area. Up north, they are seeing just a light snow shower passing through, but this is looking to clear out later on today. So here is the radar and satellite showing just that. We did see a lot of snow earlier this morning. I think up north they saw about a half an inch to an inch of snow. Other areas just saw a trace, but it is clearing out. But we are still seeing mostly cloudy skies and a breeze coming from the south. That's why it is kind of feeling a little bit warmer today. We did get some Skywatch reports here at noon. We are at 27 degrees up in Old Forge, 37 in Clinton, and 34 in Cassville. So it is pretty warm in comparison to the past couple of days. This is going to be our warmest day over the course of the next week. But we are seeing quite a breeze outside. So here's a look at our temperatures versus the wind chill. We are looking at temperatures right now in the mid 30s, feeling about 5 to 6 degrees cooler than the actual temperature because of the breeze at around 10 miles per hour right now. If you are getting ready to plan out your weekend, both days are going to be dry. On Saturday, it is going to be mostly sunny, but it is going to be pretty cold. Our highs are only going to be in the upper teens. Now, as we move into Sunday, it is going to be mostly cloudy. A chance for some snow showers up north is definitely on our radar, but we are looking warmer with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s. So we are seeing those lake effect snow showers kind of clearing out this afternoon, but I wouldn't rule out a passing shower later on this evening. Temperatures will drop into the teens overnight tonight, and we will be pretty cold tomorrow. We are looking at mostly cloudy skies, and our temperatures are going to drop with highs just in the teens. It is still going to be quite breezy too, so making it feel a lot colder than what it actually is. Now, once we move into Thursday night into Friday, our temperatures all drop below zero for the low, so it is going to be another cold night ahead, and Friday is going to remain very cold. We are only going to be seeing temperatures in the upper single digits to the low teens, but it shouldn't be windy, so it actually is going to feel like that temperature. Now, for today, we have a high in the upper 30s. We are still seeing some snow showers, and I wouldn't rule out the possibility of a rain shower because of that high temperature. Overnight tonight, we will see lows in the teens, and we will see mostly cloudy skies, and the breeze does remain overnight into tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be a lot colder than today. We are looking at temperatures in the upper teens with that breeze sticking around. Friday getting even colder with the high just in the low teens, but it will not be breezy, so it actually will feel like this temperature. We are remaining cold for Saturday before warming up a little bit on Sunday, and we are looking cold for the beginning of next week, but it is going to be dry. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. The Biden administrator in this half hour again. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We're still seeing just a few scattered snow showers, especially up north here this afternoon, but our temperatures are fairly warm. We are looking at temperatures in the 30s. Let's take a look at that Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A few snow flurries in the Mohawk Valley and a few light lake effect snow showers up north here this afternoon, but our temperature at the Griffith Park Airport in Rome is at 38 degrees, so we are well above freezing, feeling pretty warm outside. It does feel like 30 degrees though, because we are seeing a slight breeze coming into the area. But it is mild today with a few snow showers here and there. We are going to be seeing colder weather ahead for the rest of the week, the weekend, and the beginning of next week. It does look to remain cold, but it is looking dry so far. So for the rest of the day, highs are going to be in the upper 30s, mostly cloudy skies, and a passing snow shower is definitely possible here this afternoon and evening, and I will be tracking the dry weather coming up. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. Syracuse
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a few light snow showers up north, but our temperatures are fairly warm. We are looking at temperatures in the 30s. On the CAV tower camera this afternoon, we are seeing just a few peaks of some sunshine trying to peek out of those clouds, but mostly overcast skies in most of our areas. Now, on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing those lake effect snow showers kind of moving out of the area that we did see this morning. Up north, they picked up about half an inch to an inch of accumulation. Elsewhere, picking up just a trace, and they are kind of still seeing just a few light lake effect snow showers still this afternoon. Here's our radar and satellite showing that it is moving out of the area, weakening at this point, but we are still seeing mostly cloudy skies, and it is very warm today. We are looking at a breeze coming in from the south, so we are getting that warmer air into our area. Here are our Skywatcher temperatures at the moment. We have 27 degrees up in Old Forge, 37 in Clinton, and 38 in Cooperstown. So we are near 40 in some of our areas. Very, very warm for the middle of January. But we are seeing a breeze outside at around 10 miles per hour. So although our temperatures are in the mid to upper 30s, we are feeling about 5 to 7 degrees colder than the actual temperature outside. So just keep that in mind when stepping out, but it is still feeling pretty warm in comparison to the past couple of days. If you are getting ready to plan out your weekend, it is looking dry for the most part. On Saturday, we are going to be seeing mostly sunny skies, but it is going to be cold with our temperatures just in the teens for the high. Now on Sunday, there is a chance for some snow showers up north due to lake effect snow, but otherwise mostly cloudy and a bit warmer. We are looking at highs in the upper 20s. So we are seeing those lake effect snow showers kind of clearing out this afternoon. I wouldn't rule out the possibility of a passing shower to form later on this afternoon into the evening. Overnight lows tonight are going to drop into the teens, so it is going to get pretty cold, and it is going to remain cold tomorrow. We are looking at highs just in the upper single digits to low teens, and we are still going to be seeing that breeze, this time coming out of the north, so it is going to feel a lot colder tomorrow. Now moving into tomorrow night into Friday, all of our temperatures are going to drop below zero, but that wind is going to calm down quite a bit, although it is going to be pretty cold on Friday. Now for today, we have a high in the upper 30s. We are seeing some snow showers. I wouldn't rule out the possibility of a rain shower to pass through later on this evening. Overnight tonight, we do have lows in the teens, and it is going to be mostly cloudy. So it is getting a lot colder for tomorrow. We are looking at temperatures in the teens, and it is going to be breezy. Now for Friday, temperatures only in the low teens, and our overnight lows are dropping below zero. A little bit warmer than Friday on Saturday, still looking dry, and we are getting a little bit warmer on Sunday. Back to you, Sarah.
Thank you, Hannah. The snow continues to pile up in South Utica. That's according to Utica's 3rd Ward Common Councilwoman Celeste Friend. She says the city's code department is sending 6 of its code officers to South Utica today, where they will be giving warnings to every property in South Utica that does not have a clear sidewalk. Friend says she received several complaints from residents over the last couple of days about what she refers to as the terrible state of the sidewalks throughout that part of the city. She says property owners are required to keep their sidewalks clear of snow, ice, and other debris. Friend took to Facebook last night saying that no one should have to resort to walking in the road, and no one should have to worry that they might slip and fall and walk around the city. So if you have not done so already, Friend is asking you and those living in South Utica to go out this morning and clear your sidewalk, or code officers will be knocking on your door. The Utica comments are set.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Getting a break in the cold today. Temperatures above freezing, up to 42 degrees this afternoon. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are seeing evidence of a cold front. You can see this just to the west of Watertown, this line of green. It's not a strong front, but it will be moving through tonight, not producing much in terms of precipitation, but it will produce a big drop in temperature. Our current temperature is 42 degrees. Again, it does feel very mild out there, especially compared to yesterday. But as temperatures fall tonight, we are concerned that untreated surfaces turn icy as we fall well below freezing after midnight. We expect a flash freeze overnight. Something to be very careful of first thing tomorrow morning. Windy and much colder tomorrow afternoon, and cold weather is going to linger as we look at the extended forecast. A brief rain or snow shower this evening. Temperatures will be in the 30s. So look at that cold weather that's coming. That forecast is coming up. Kristen, back to you.
After an audit, the
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. A very mild day across central New York. Temperatures hitting 40 degrees, but we are going to be seeing much colder temperatures as we look ahead. A live look at our Cat B Tower Cam overlooking the city of Utica. We have twilight at 5:15. That is really encouraging. At least I think it is, as we continue to see longer days. Our high temperature, our current temperature, 42 degrees. And then guess what happens? Big drop. We're down about 30 degrees between now and 24 hours from now. Deep freeze is on the way, and this does come with consequences. This happens overnight. As we fall below freezing, as the winds kick up, it's the recipe for a flash freeze. This is happening after midnight, but it will be around tomorrow morning. Untreated surfaces, very icy. Be very careful heading out the door tomorrow, especially on sidewalks, driveways, parking lots. Again, this will be developing overnight, and the ice will be around first thing tomorrow morning and probably lasting throughout majority of the day, although we will be getting some sunshine. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Again, we are tracking a cold front that will be bringing in that big drop in temperature. Rome is 40, Whitesboro 39, Dolgeville 32, across southern valleys. Sherburne 40 degrees, Skenevis 36, and Norwich with 39. Nice evening to take the dog out for a walk. It's going to be a lot more comfortable now compared to the rest of the week. And this is just the perfect shot right here. This is Wilson just about ready to catch a snowball. You want to be part of this? Head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. The bigger picture shows a cold front moving in. There's not a lot of precipitation with this, so it doesn't really produce much snowfall. But we will see at least some rain and snow showers overnight. Temperatures drop pretty quickly after midnight. We'll be below freezing and with surfaces turning icy by tomorrow morning. A cold, blustery Thursday. Wind chill values near or below zero throughout the day, but it's dry. We're expecting sunshine for a good portion of the day after some morning clouds. Below zero tomorrow night and frigid on Friday. Friday, we start out below zero, and we're only expecting high temperatures Friday afternoon to climb into the single digits. Tonight, again, keeping an eye on the temperature, we're down to 15. We're looking at a flash freeze after midnight with blustery conditions. Tomorrow, it's going to be another cold day. Temperatures start out in the teens. Tomorrow, we will get colder throughout the day. Temperatures will be in the single digits by the evening. Again, that wind chill near or below zero throughout the day. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Friday's high 9. We're 15 below zero Friday night. Saturday, we're up to 19 degrees. We do warm up to on Sunday 24 with some light snow showers. Monday, cold. Tuesday, snow. More cold as we look ahead to Wednesday. And Kristen, coming up in the next half hour, we're looking at one of your favorites, snow rollers.
Oh, there's so many favorites, though. It's alien-like. All right,
Yeah.
Bill, thank you. Fearing a Russian invasion.
Let's get over to the weather center now. Back to check in with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Well, this picture could be scary if you're not sure what this is all about. Take a look at this. Snow rollers. You don't see any footprints there. Nobody went out and started rolling these piles of snow. This was all done by Mother Nature. And it happens, it's a rare phenomena when you have the right combination of wind and snow quality. It's typically when temperatures are right around freezing and we have fresh snow on the ground. And when you have that perfect consistency of snow, you can get snow rollers. This picture was sent in by Lucy. Here's another shot. Almost looks like bales of hay. Absolutely amazing phenomenon. And we see these occasionally across central New York. And if you're looking for them, look for them in open areas. That's where we tend to see them, especially in areas that get a lot of wind. 20.4 inches of snow has fallen so far this season in the city of Utica. We are still running behind by a lot, by more than 2 feet. But again, with the snow that we had on Monday, at least we're continuing to keep up with the average. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We do expect to see a little bit more snow tonight as the cold front arrives. Colder weather on the way. Look at a big drop in temperatures coming up. Kristen, back to you.
The nation's two largest wireless carriers flipped on the switch for 5G, but that rollout did include a temporary delay for the second time this month. AT&T and
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. Very mild weather today in comparison to yesterday and in comparison to the rest of the week. Temperatures this afternoon climbing above freezing into the low 40s. Live look outside. This is our CAB Tower Cam as we overlook the city of Utica. Things are quiet. A lot of melting taking place this afternoon, so there's ponding on the roadways with some snow melt, but we've got some big changes ahead. Temperatures in the 40s this afternoon. This time tomorrow, 12. We're down 30 degrees. It's going to be a shock to the system. It's also going to cause some problems, and this is mainly going to be tonight as temperatures drop so abruptly. the slushy spots turn to ice. This is on untreated surfaces, driveways, sidewalks, parking lots. Be careful tomorrow morning. This ice is going to be around and will likely linger throughout a good portion of the day because it's going to continue to get colder as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are tracking a cold front that's dropping in from the north. This is the leading edge of it, so it's not impressive at the moment. Just a few very light showers on the shore of Lake Ontario. That moves through as we head into tonight. Does produce some light snow, even some rain showers. 32 in Gray, Boonville 34, Barneveld 32, Yorkville 40 degrees. Lots of places above freezing this afternoon. Richfield 36 degrees, Sequoia 38, and Whitesboro checking in with 40 degrees. So again, this cold front moves through tonight. In the wake of the front, the winds kick up and the temperatures drop, and that trend continues throughout the entire day tomorrow. So tonight, that front moves through. It does produce some light snow, not expecting much of an accumulation. I think most areas are under 1 inch of accumulation. Thursday morning, 8 a.m., we start out with temperatures in the teens. And again, it gets cold throughout the day. It's going to be colder in the afternoon than it was in the morning. We'll see clouds give way to some sunshine. Again, this is the air temperature. Wind chills will be near or below zero throughout most of the day. We are below zero tomorrow night. In fact, a lot of places double digits below zero, so a very cold start to Friday. Friday features lots of sunshine, but again, it's going to be a very cold day with high temperatures only in the single digits. Tonight, a flash freeze develops after midnight, very icy as we head into tomorrow morning, a low of 15. Tomorrow, windy and cold, an early high of 19. Again, temperatures will be in the low teens for most of the day. And then it gets really cold as we head into Friday night. We're down to 10 below zero, or I should say Thursday night. Friday's high only 9. Friday night, we get down to 15 below zero. Temperatures climb into the teens on Saturday. We'll see dry weather prevail with plenty of sunshine. On Sunday, some lake effect snow showers, 24. That's part of another cold front that knocks the temperature down again for Monday. On Tuesday, some light snow with a clipper system. This brings another shot of cold. Temperatures drop into the teens on Wednesday. So relatively dry weather looking ahead with several chances for some cold weather, especially tomorrow and Friday night. We'll be right back.
With Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
All right, we are tracking some colder weather ahead. It was a very mild day today. Temperatures climbing above freezing, but things are going to change tonight. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. To the north, we can see some very light precipitation. This is the leading edge of a cold front that moves through the region overnight. Our current temperature is 43 degrees. It is very mild out there. We are seeing some melting snow, which has been taking place throughout the day. As temperatures come crashing down tonight, as we fall below freezing, we do expect a flash freeze to take place tonight. Some very icy spots expected by tomorrow morning, as untreated surfaces go from slush to ice. Windy and much colder tomorrow. We start out temperatures in the teens, will end in the single digits. It's going to feel like below zero for most of the day, and the cold weather is going to hang around. This evening, our brief round of some rain and snow as that front approaches from the north. Again, it does get a lot colder as we head into the next 24 hours. We're tracking that big drop in temperature coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. The New
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening and welcome back. We are tracking much colder weather as we head into tonight. And with that comes some icy conditions. A live look at the CAMV Tower Cam. We are overlooking the city of Utica and things are looking quiet for now. We've got some big changes in the weather ahead. High temperature today, actually 43 degrees. That's our current temperature. And we are down 30 degrees between now and this time tomorrow. And with that big plunge in temperature comes the potential for some icy surfaces. This will be taking place overnight after midnight, as when we're expecting to fall below freezing. Icy surfaces are expected tomorrow morning on untreated surfaces like driveways, sidewalks, and parking lots. So be careful heading out the door tomorrow. Again, things are looking slick. As colder air continues to work its way into the region throughout the day tomorrow, temperatures will be falling. We start out at 6 a.m. with temperatures in the low 20s. But then throughout the afternoon, we're down into the low teens by 5 p.m. The bottom number here is the wind chill. making it feel more like single digits throughout the majority of the day. So again, very dramatic changes in the weather here over the next 24 hours, at least temperature-wise. We are dry out there. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some very light snow showers approaching from the north. That is part of a cold front. 32 in Gray, 33 in Old Forge, Barneveld 32. Across southern valleys, we are generally above freezing. Milford 32, Edmonston 35, and Kirsten in Whitesboro checks in with 40 degrees. The cold front approaches from the north tonight, and again, it brings not only the cold weather, but also some wind. Not much snow with it. Just a brief round of snow is possible overnight. Less than an inch of accumulation is expected. Temperatures drop down into the teens by tomorrow morning. Falling temperatures tomorrow afternoon. Again, we go from upper teens to low teens by dinner time. And again, with the wind, it's going to feel like single digits. We will be below zero tomorrow night. Thinking many areas 5 to 15 below zero by Friday morning. So a frigid start. We do see some sunshine on Friday. It should be a pretty nice day, but it will be cold with high temperatures only in the single digits. Tonight, flash freeze after midnight. Again, watch out for icy spots first thing tomorrow morning, a low of 15. Again, a cold day tomorrow and windy with an early high of 19. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. There's no big snowstorms on the horizon, at least for now. We're always looking ahead. High temperature on Friday of 9 degrees after starting out well below zero. 15 below zero Friday night, up to 19 on Saturday. Some snow showers Sunday. That's part of another cold front that drops us down to 15 Monday. And then another clipper system brings us a couple of inches of snow here Tuesday. Temperatures in the mid-20s. Back over to you.
Bill, thank you. Still to come on News Channel 2 at 6. We highlight it. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Karnes. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking a drop in temperature tonight, enough to cause a flash freeze as we head into the day tomorrow. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. What's causing this big drop in the temperature is a cold front, and we can see it on the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's this line of light snow that is going to be dropping south, not producing a lot of accumulation, but it will produce a big change in the weather. Current temperature is 38 degrees, still above freezing at 10 o'clock at night. It actually kind of feels warm to be out, but this is going to change. Again, as that front moves through, the winds pick up, temperatures drop, and it's going to be windy and much colder as we head into tomorrow. That cold weather is going to linger around. I'll let you know how many days we're going to be stuck in the deep freeze coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Treating the
York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Karnes.
Good evening and welcome back. A cold front is approaching our region and will bring a big drop in the temperature. Back to the deep freeze, along with some concerns here for tomorrow morning. So live look at our Cab Tower Cam. Things look quiet out there. They are. Temperatures have climbed above freezing today. It's that combination of warm temperatures plus cold temperatures that's going to create conditions for some ice. And this is what we're talking about. Today's high 43, and then get ready. We're going down quickly over the next 24 hours. Temperatures are going to drop about 30 degrees. We're going to be in the low teens as we head into tomorrow evening. And because of this big dramatic drop, we see some pretty big issues in terms of ice. This is called a flash freeze, when temperatures abruptly fall below freezing. Untreated surfaces could become slippery. We're talking about driveways, sidewalks, parking lots. When you're heading out the door tomorrow, just think about that and be careful as you're heading out that things could be very slippery here tomorrow. This continues into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, so just want to give you the heads up. Pretty neat thing that happened today. One of our viewers took a picture of this. These are called snow rollers, and you might have seen these, especially in large fields. These are caused by wind and a very precise type of snow. It's usually after fresh snow, when the snow has a lot of, when it's very packy. When the winds blow over that, we often see these really phenomenal shapes. Speaking of the wind, tomorrow it's windy the whole day. We've got the wind chill. We've got the cold weather. Temperatures in the teens, wind chill values in the single digits. That cold front comes in from the north as we head into tonight, and again, it carries that cold front with it. We're expecting temperatures to continue to fall overnight. A couple of flurries out there, too. Tomorrow morning, again, temperatures much colder, will be in the teens early. Temperatures fall into the low teens by the afternoon. Some sunshine breaking out too. With clear skies and light winds, the stage is set for very cold weather as we head into Friday morning. Have a look at these numbers. Double digits below zero. Thinking the North Country could be 15 below zero. So very cold start to Friday, and it really doesn't warm up. We're going to see Arctic air in our area with high temperatures in the single digits. Not record-breaking cold, but definitely something to take extra precaution and limit your time on Friday outdoors. Flash freeze developing after midnight, down to 15 tomorrow. Cold afternoon, breezy, dry though. Temperatures in the upper teens. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Coldest days Friday, high of 9, 15 below Friday night, 19 Saturday. Heat wave Sunday, 24. A couple of snow showers and flurries. Monday is looking dry and cold again. And we're tracking more light snow. Temperatures in the mid-20s on Tuesday. Another round of cold, temperatures in the teens Wednesday.
All right, Bill, thank you. Snapchat. Time now for a first look at the forecast. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. We are dealing with a big drop in temperature as we head into tonight, and that's going to set the stage for a flash freeze. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. What we are looking for is to the north, and that is where we see the leading edge of some snow showers and a cold front that is going to move through the region. Already seeing that drop in temperature, 35 degrees. West-northwest wind at 15 miles an hour, and we will continue to fall below freezing as we head into tonight. So this flash freeze takes place overnight. Driveways, sidewalks, parking lots, untreated surfaces, slippery. Heading out the door first thing tomorrow morning, something to keep in mind. The cold weather is going to continue as we head into tomorrow and will linger as we head into the deep freeze. And we're going to be tracking how long those cold temperatures last coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Treating
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We are tracking a big drop in the temperature tonight. It's going to happen so quickly that it will create some icy spots. A flash freeze is what this is called, and this is a live look outside where things are looking quiet for now. The tower cam is shaking around a little bit as we have some wind coming in. High today of 43, followed by a big drop in the temperature. Over the next 24 hours, we're dropping 30 degrees by earlier this evening compared to tomorrow evening. And with that comes some icy spots. We're most concerned with driveways, sidewalks, parking lots. As you're heading out the door tomorrow, again, just keep in mind, it could be really slippery in spots. And just want you to be aware of that. Another interesting thing that we've been seeing, this was taken earlier today. These are called snow rollers. You can see that there's no footprints around here. These were made by Mother Nature, where the wind direction was perfectly lining up with the consistency of snow. It's a combination of this packy type of snow plus wind that can create these snow rollers. This picture was taken in Mohawk. You might be able to spot these in your backyard too, especially if there's wide open spaces and you picked up a decent amount of snowfall. Temperatures tomorrow are going to start out in the 20s. We're going to see wind throughout the day, bringing in some cold weather. We'll be in the single digits. It's going to feel like single digits as we head into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Cold front moving through the region tonight, not really producing much in the way of snowfall. You can see that front moving through the area. Again, on the other side of it, it is going to be much colder. That cold air drains in from the north tonight as the Arctic front pushes to the south. As the front moves south, it also clears us out. We're looking at dry air working into the region. Temperatures in the teens tomorrow morning. It's going to feel colder in the afternoon compared to the morning time as that cold air drains in from the north. We will see some sunshine and dry weather, though. Tomorrow night, the stage is set for a frigid night. Clear skies, light winds. We are talking about double digits below zero in many areas. Friday, it's a frigid day, sunshine. Temperatures only in the single digits during the day. Friday night could be one of the coldest nights so far this season. We're looking at lows in town of around 15 below zero. Flash freeze tonight as we quickly fall below freezing. Again, watch out for icy spots as you're heading out the door tomorrow morning. Temperatures will be in the upper teens in the morning, and it gets colder as we head throughout the day. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. 10 below 0 tomorrow night. Friday's high only 9. That's the coldest day of the next 7. We are frigid Friday night. 15 below. 19 on Saturday. Some very light snow showers Sunday, 24. 15 on Monday, and then into the mid-20s with more light snow on Tuesday and colder weather on Wednesday. We'll be right back.